I wonder what the weather is for today. 7 inches of snow. Man, you guys are in for a treat. Okay guys, so we got the John Deere all washed up. We got the fertilizer spreader all washed up. Also got the New Holland LS170 that's usually at the other farm. Brought it home to service it today. I washed it up. And we got the lawnmower sitting over here. Got it all washed up also. It's gonna run until I run out of gas, but I ran out of equipment first. So they're all looking pretty good. By no means did I get every little spot, but you can spend hours on everything if you really wanted to, but no point when you're just gonna get dirty again. But you can actually tell what color they are now, so that's good. Okay guys, we've got the lawnmower all ready to go. As you can see, it's all washed up, and then we got every grease zerk on it greased. Got the blade sharpened if they needed it. Belts are tight. She's ready to start mowing. Let's get to it. Okay guys, so it's the next day. We need to bed 1, 2, 3, and 4 today. Okay, we've got pens 1 and 2 back here, both done. I used the Deere. We gotta shut this gate and shut that one over there, let the jerseys in. And then we'll go ahead and let the Holsteins in. Just this pen, and then we'll get 3 out, do 3. It's snowing. Look at them all. Easy does it. It's gonna be a white Christmas after all. Yeehaw! Come on. You have got to be kidding me. What do you have to say, buddy? Come on. Easy. Okay, next we need to go work on the skid loader. Take the tires off and grease each greaser like we did to the other one the other day, so we gotta go over there. The snow's died down quite a bit, but it's still snowing a little bit, so we'll see what we get.
We'll let it down and double check it. And I assume we're going to bring to I assume we'll check it. Check the hydraulic. Where did the cheese come from?
Some terror guy came and dropped the hat, a calendar, and some cheese off. Okay, we're all done. Let's go push some snow. Christmas time. That's a few inches of snow right there. Okay, we got quite a bit of snow pushed. It was a foot in quite a few places, but in the middle of the driveway it was drifted over, so there's like nothing there, but there's quite a bit of snow here. We got it cleared all the way to the end of the driveway, so anybody that needs to come in or out should be good. Then when I'm done feeding, I might do some more, but I was using the other LS 170. Okay, we got the hay all fed, and we gotta load the pellets up and take them to the big barn. Okay, all 4 waters in this barn are good. Let's start feeding pallets. Everybody in this pen are both fed, and everybody's up and eating. like the water's good. Let's go keep pushing snow. Okay, we got quite a bit of the snow push. It's not really snowing much, it's just really, it's blowing around quite a bit. It's chore time again, so we need to get the chores done. But yeah, it's quite windy. Okay, all the pen 8's fed. We need to head back to under the big barn, get all them fed, and do pen 3. So yeah, we got all that hay down, and then we'll come through and put these pellets down for these guys. And then when Dad's feeding, he'll just come right along with the mixer and he'll lay some silage down right on top. You see, they know what they're doing. They're all coming out because some of them are done eating in there, so they're gonna come out and see if they can get any. Gave Junior some pellets, he's just munching away. How you thinking, Junior? Big boy, okay? So we gotta go back in, finish up. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. And I hope you all have a Merry Christmas.